Ni kedai Bati CTV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman kesni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Lums Hop Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka kali Datsun ready go batamai. Kabas kem bat bidor.
Ka sarkar jalla kala rai ban shimkhia ya ga jingkan shot ya per jaj ban reu hadian ka le niam puja hadian bakila don ka to ka ningut ki bar jalla ki bala sedang ban penki win ya ka jalla brakawai da ka bakno baki jaj ban reu Bengali kila sya pendik bat sya penduk lut ki hok baki dei ban yo kum ki nong shong shnong hapo ka jalla Meghalaya ha ka jingi kran bat kilat pathai kubor hadian bala wai ka review meeting u menteri rang ba ka jalla Conrad K Sangma ulaya thu ba ka sarkar kam shimla shong klihti ban penne ya ka shong suk shong san ha ka jalla bat ban khanglat ya kinu ki kam ki bala ban wanra ya ka jing shong sier ya ki pai ba nong shong shnong
entire aspects of all the protocols and really the balance that we need to strike is in between safety and security of our people and also of the people who are coming in. And at the same time minimizing the inconvenience that is caused to the people who are coming in. So how to balance things out, because obviously the more we relax it, the more chances and the risks go up higher. And as we can make it more strict, then the inconvenience grows. So we're trying to see how we will. We are assessing it. No decision was made as such, but a lot of detailed discussion went into it. And we will take a call on it most probably post-puja on how we can strike a better balance between safety and convenience.